So hey guys, welcome back again. This is me to do hacks, and in this video, I'm just showcasing my project Python project that I have recently done. And sorry for my late upload because I was busy doing my academics. Okay, so now let's talk about this project. So let's see. So for this project, let's see what is our actually problem. So problem is recently our Southeastern Railway actually released some train codes for cancellation because they are doing some kind of working, some kind of maintenance doing in railway tracks. Okay, so that's it. So basically they provide some train codes, and for a local passenger, for a daily people, they have no idea which codes belongs to which train names. This is so simple for a common people. It is impossible to remember all the train codes and their corresponding name. So what I have done just take all these codes and scrapping the trailer 3 website, and then we are fetching all the names and generating a PDF according the dates. Okay, so this is the simple my project structure. So we are just um, taking all these 10 codes in comma separated way in a codes.txt. Then we are sending this all these files to Python files that actually using Selenium driver to scrap the Relay 3 website, and then sending all these data packs to a Python file, and we are generating a simple PDF. That's it. This is a basic one simple thing. Okay, so one thing I always say to find something new, change your view. Basically, because if you want to apply your knowledge in your real life problem, so you have to find real life problems and what is actually happening and what's actually happening. So you must have to observe all your daily life things. Okay, to find the problems, and you have to must solve this problem using your Python loop. Okay, so this how you actually upskill your coding skill, your knowledge. Okay, so because there are lots of projects in website you can copy paste, but if you're implementing some real life problem into your projects, that will be good choice. Okay, so that's how you upskill your performance. Okay, basically now let's talk about my codes. Basically here we are using report lab to generate our PDF, and using Selenium driver to load that web page. Okay, basically. So one thing I'm just want to talk about why we're just using Selenium without using beautiful soup and request. In Python lab there is a request library. We can actually use that. But for the dynamic content of page, we have to use Selenium driver because request can't because request only gets statics. That's it. Okay. So first, in my initial tasks, I just using simple request, and then we are just HTML parser, and then we are then I was just doing swift define all this LTS timeline table. Okay, but for the timetable, as it is dynamically generated, I am unable to find those timelines. Okay, so that's why I switched to the Selenium, and we are just simply parsing that HTML. Okay, so that's it. And here I'm just basically using a initial case dictionary, because if so this is not actually, this is simple. So at this time I was actually using the list of the train codes, and if there is any kind of duplicates code exists in the train in our codes, so that basically actually simplify, look at the train case, if it is already exist or not, then basically it just keep all the functions. So that's a check duplicate for without duplicating generating. Okay, now let's run our project. Basically let's so now this is the showcase of our project. This is the train codes.txt. Let's took all these codes, copy all these codes, and let's paste it. Okay, now at which date this is our PNI dip 4 25 6 2024. Now let's start our project. Python start.py, and what's our this is yar mmm date. So basically what is 2024 6 25 2024/6/25. That's it. So yeah, month date, and we're just going to enter, and we have to wait to generate all the reports. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is page data for 38042384023. This is actually random, and this is not for one by one. Okay, So we're fetching all our data. Guys, don't forget to subscribe for more this kind of awesome projects. Share with your friends, and if you want more real life problems, and you can also send me, mail me, or comment in this video. Okay. So at the end of the time, I also calculating time, how much time it's taking to generate all the reports. Okay. So now this is our report generated, all trains report.pdf. We just click on the reports and we can see this is a simple format I have just done. This is Mecheda Howrah local, and it is 38304, Pasco Howrah local, 38406, Mecheda Howrah local. From where it's starting station, Mecheda station and department time 420. 43 department time, Pasco department time 432, 540, Howrah local 325. That's then this is 325. So that's the result. So thank you for watching, and if you want the source code, I can actually comment and I will provide you the source code. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, like button, and for more kind of these projects, please uh, press on the bell notification. Thank you for watching. Hope I will be back again with another interesting projects to all of you. So for that moment, subscribe my video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.